Hello friends, and welcome back to the tutorial of Python for the beginners. In the last video we have learned what are the functions that are available in Python for a string value which we are using directly or through some variable. So this was all about the thing that we learned in our last video. So today we are going to learn the slicing of your string. So let's just start with the slicing. And before starting with the slicing, I want to tell you what slicing is. Actually, slicing is just the taking out of some part of your string and displaying it in your output. So let's start with it, and let me show you the examples of it to make you understand better. So let's first take a string and store it in some variable. So I'm taking a variable a and storing the value hello world. I'm storing this value inside my variable a and just press enter. Now I'm having this value in my variable a. So let's just start. First, I want this whole hello world as it is. So for that, just type a within square brackets. Just type the starting index of the string that is stored in your variable. So the starting index is 0 because I want hello world, complete hello world. So then 0 colon and the end of this. So for that I need to count it. So let's just count 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So just type it up to 11 because in the slicing part it will just include the starting position and exclude the ending position, and it will make you or show you the result from 0 to 10. So for that I just need to write 11 here so that I can get the complete result. So just cross it and type enter. So this was the thing when we are displaying the hello world, which is only up to the 11th indexes, or we can say the 10th indexes. But what if I'm having a string which is of a long length, or we can say a large text? But in that case I don't know what is the ending position, and counting each index is a big task or a bulky task. So in that case, what I can do, I will just type a square bracket closing and opening and just type the starting position colon and leave it as it is, so it will count up to the last position. So I do not need to tell it that what is my ending position, so just type it as it is and click enter. See, I'm getting the exact result that I got in my previous output. So this was about getting the whole result, but I don't want the whole result. I just want this hello, means this value from 0 up to the 4. So I will just type 0 colon, I will type 4, I will type 5 because 5 is not included in my indexes. So just type, so just click enter. So I got the hello. And one more thing, just type a colon. Similarly, I want the whole text, but the text should be with a difference of 2. Means I want this H leaving the second value, then L leaving the next value, then O leaving the next value, then W, like this. So in that case, I can write this value as it is with within square bracket, space, colon, space. By default, it is having a difference of one value, means difference of one index, means this value, then next, the next text, next, like this. But I want the difference of 2, so here I will type 2, means it will start from 0 and go up to the end position with a difference of 2. So in this case I will get H L O W R D, like this. So just click enter. So you can see I got this value HLOWRD. So I have done the slicing of it. Similarly, I can write it, and one more thing. If I want this hello world to be starting from this position and ending at this position, in that case, I have one more option. Or we can say I want to reverse this value. So just type A within colon, within square bracket, colon, colon. Colon, this means starting from start and ending up to end. And just type -1 so that it will start from reverse direction, because if you are starting from the starting position, our indexing is 0 1 2 3 up to like this. But if you are starting from the last, then value is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 like this. So if you type this, then your starting position will be this and ending position will be this, means it will reverse your text. Then click enter. So you can see my hello world is being reversed. So this is the small part slicing of your string. Similarly, you can perform this according to your requirement in your program. This was it for today, and I hope you liked my video. So if you liked my video, please click on the like button, and if you do not have subscribed my channel, then just click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my video. And thanks for watching my video.